The history began in 1882 when the Hevea brasiliensis was brought to Sabah and planted in Silam in 1884 as a government experimental plantation. This crop was introduced by the British as an effort to diversify the state's economic resources. The rubber industry's potential grew significantly after the government at the time guaranteed that no export tax would be imposed on rubber plantation companies for 50 years starting in 1905. When the 50-year period ended, the Sabah Rubber Fund Board was established in 1950 under the Rubber Fund Board Ordinance 1950. Over time, rubber cultivation became one of the critical sectors in Sabah's economy, providing employment opportunities for locals and contributing to the development of rural communities. However, challenges such as unstable rubber prices, conventional farming methods, and a lack of infrastructure hindered the sector's growth. Today, with new development plans, the future of Sabah's rubber industry looks brighter. Welcome to the future vision of the rubber industry in Sabah with the Sabah Rubber Industry Board. The V50 Strategic Direction is a strategic plan for the rubber industry in Sabah to ensure that Sabah Rubber Industry Board, which will reach its 100th year of establishment at that time, remains a relevant agency driving the rubber industry in the state. Thus, the Vision 2050, V50, is designed to drive innovation, technology, and sustainable development in the rubber industry. Ensuring the well-being of smallholders and the state's economy. Efforts to drive the sustainability of Sabah's rubber industry will continue to be supported by Sabah Rubber Industry Board. Based on the vision of a modern, resilient and dynamic rubber industry, Sabah Rubber Industry Board is committed to safeguarding the welfare of Sabah's rubber smallholders, while ensuring that the rubber industry remains competitive. With the current government's philosophy and approach to implementing reforms and transformative changes on a mega scale without neglecting the agenda of social justice, three main pillars of the rubber industry's transformation, led by Sabah Rubber Industry Board, are to empower the upstream sector, strengthen the midstream sector, and enrich the downstream sector. Through the V50 Strategic Direction, rubber plantation areas will be expanded by 120,000 hectares from 241,400 hectares to 361,400 hectares by 2050. This ambitious effort aims to strengthen the upstream sector to ensure a steady supply of raw materials while creating more economic opportunities for the people of Sabah. With modern approaches such as tapping technology, yields are expected to increase from 1,000 to 1,800 kilograms per hectare per year. Infrastructure improvements will also be prioritized, with 13,200 kilometers of plantation roads set to be upgraded. In strengthening the midstream sector, Sabah Rubber Industry Board will establish 3 advanced latex product processing centers. This will enhance rubber production, quality, and create more job opportunities in the processing sector. Strategic collaborations with higher education institutions will ensure advancements in technology and research. Plans include developing various latex-based factories and wood-based factories, utilizing rubber wood. These steps aim to position Sabah as the primary hub for latex and rubberwood products in Borneo. Logistics capabilities will be strengthened through Sabah Rubber Industry Board-owned shipping vessels. Moreover, agritourism projects, such as the Hevea Park, will offer tourists a unique experience in the rubber industry. This project will not only promote Sabah's rubber industry, but also support the state's tourism sector by providing educational and recreational experiences for visitors. The future of Sabah's rubber industry is one of immense potential and competitiveness. Through the V50 Strategic Direction, the Sabah Rubber Industry Board is committed to positioning Sabah as a leader in sustainable rubber industry practices in the region. With the support of all stakeholders, we can build a bright future for smallholders and the state's economy. Together, we create success and pride for the state of Sabah.